Hello students, welcome to another HVH lesson. Today's lesson is exploits and how to use them. What is an exploit? An exploit is a cheat function that allows you to do things that normally shouldn't be doable in Counter-Strike Global Offensive. What exploits will we be learning today? Double tap, hide shots, and fake duck. First exploit, double tap. Double tap is an exploit that allows you to shoot 2 bullets at once. Here is a demonstration.
Let's play football.
Now here is a side-by-side comparison. And this is how it performs on enemies. Second exploit, hide shots. Hide shots is an exploit that allows you to not flick your head when shooting, therefore, allowing you to not get on shot. Here is a demonstration. The third and final exploit we will be learning today is fake duck. Fake duck allows you to crouch but shoot like you are standing. Here is a demonstration. Thank you for watching and make sure to take notes.